Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make quinoa for weight gain. To start, select high-quality quinoa, preferably organic, and ensure you have a good saucepan. You'll also need a measuring cup and a fine mesh sieve for rinsing. Gathering your ingredients beforehand makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. This foundational step is crucial for a successful and tasty outcome. First, rinse 1 cup of quinoa under cold water for about 2 minutes to remove any bitterness. Next, combine the rinsed quinoa with 2 cups of water or broth in a saucepan. Bring this mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and simmer for 15 minutes. The quinoa is ready when all the liquid is absorbed and the grains are fluffy. To significantly boost the calorie content, incorporate healthy fats and proteins. After cooking, stir in 1/4 cup of olive oil or melted coconut oil. Then, mix in 1/2 cup of chopped nuts like almonds or walnuts, or seeds such as chia or flax. For an extra protein punch, add 1 cup of cooked lentils or black beans to your quinoa. Quinoa is incredibly versatile for weight gain meals. For breakfast, use it as a base for a warm bowl with fruit, nuts, and a drizzle of maple syrup. At lunch, combine it with roasted vegetables and a lean protein like chicken or fish. For dinner, create a satisfying salad with quinoa, avocado, and a creamy, calorie-dense dressing. Enjoy your nutritious and delicious meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.